So today we are going to discuss Codeforces Round 937 Division 4 questions. The first one is A stairs, peak and neither. So it was a pretty simple question. We just have to use the conditions given. If A is smaller than B is smaller than C, then it is a stairs. If A is smaller than B and B should be greater than C, then it is a peak, else it will be none. Let me show you the solution. So the solution is pretty simple. I just used an operator to perform it like this. Okay, now let's go for the question B. So question B is based on pattern problem. So for question B you have to, like, if the value of given n is 1, so you have to make like multiply it by 2. So it should be, the matrix should be 2n into 2n. So you will get two rows and two columns, and for one value of n, it should be hash. For two value of n, it should be, the first part should be hash, the second dot. Then as you can see, it is alternating. So if for odd numbers of n, it is hash, else it is dot for the both condition, like in the row section and in the column section. So let me show you the problem solution. So the solution is pretty simple. We use two loops to iterate over row and column, and the condition is I slash 2 plus j slash 2 whole mod 2. If these are equals to 0, which mean that the condition is even. For looping and for even condition, the answer should be hash, else it should be dot. I hope you understood. Let's go for the question 3. Question 3 is like, it is a daily life practical question. For most of you have a knowledge of 24-hour format, and like it converts, let me explain it. See, this number shows that the time is in AM, it is morning time. So, and this shows that the time is in PM, so it is PM, like evening time. We just have to calculate this, convert this 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock. For this, let me show you the answer. So what I did, I have, this is the basic test cases conditions. See, for so the input is given in a string. The first two numbers are ours number, like first two digits represent ours. So I have taken like the first substring has been taken, and it is being converted into a string. So if the HH is smaller than 12, which means it is a morning time, so AM will be stored in P. Okay, if HS is equals to 0, so if that one is 0, so H should be stored 12. If H is greater than 12, so our 12 will be deduct from H, I mean the R's. Okay, so the value, the function will return value of, if HS is smaller than 10, then there should be a leading 0, else it will be one digit value. So we have printed 0. Okay, the value return plus concatenate, we converted the string HH into, I mean the integer HH into string again, and the HH stores 12, either 12 or a deducted value of HS minus 12, plus the minute remains same, because minute does not change whether we are talking about, in whether we are talking for the clock or 24-hour clock, and there is a space and P. Okay, so this value also contains the dot, semi, I mean semicolon, colon. So this has been written to this and it is being C out. Okay, let's go for the question. Okay, so in the question D we have to check whether these numbers are product of binary decimals. As we can see, these have a value of yes, which means these are and these are too. So we can do it by a simpler method. Let me show you the summation. So what I did in the question, I have taken an array of decimal numbers, okay, decimal binary numbers, and I have like checked if the number of n is equal to value present in the array. If yes, then count equals to 1 and the loop has been break, and we have break the loop. So if the count equals to 1, which means that the value given it's in the array, so C out will be yes, else it will be no. And we reset it, like we reset the count to 0. So hope you liked all the solutions. Let's meet next time.